Everyone thinks about depreciation when it comes to building and machinery. They should think of software in the same way. Replacing old systems on a regular basis is a good plan. We were very pleased, particularly on the technical front. The National Archives has been around for about 150 years in one form or another and collects government records. We'd see it as a repository of the nation's history, at least from the point of view of government. Organisations in the public sector are obviously keen to deliver value for money, so they tend to run their systems for as long as they possibly can. You have to be careful about security these days, and often there are unknown risks, so thinking about replacing old systems on a regular basis is a good plan. Everyone thinks about depreciation when it comes to buildings, plant or machinery. They should think of software in the same way. We knew we had old systems that needed to be replaced. They are absolutely critical to the work we do. We had to both get good analysis of what we had and to work out how we can replace those in chunks. That meant we could continue to deliver service and not have a period where we had nothing. We were very pleased, particularly on the technical front. They also offered us a fairly rapid project which we needed to do quickly, and also fed back the results in a way that was easy to understand by everybody in the organisation. Value's been finding the key things that really will make a difference. We had some understanding of that, but the Zizi team helped us put that in sharp focus. They identified the key pain points and suggested some useful strategies to keep the services running smoothly. And then beyond that, we'll plan to replace the legacy systems completely. You can bring in good people from outside, and if you brief them and guide them in the direction you want them to go, together you can have a very good outcome or result.